Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our topic is about a simple Java programming to convert the decimal number to binary. This is a simple Java programming. This is a output. First we input 12. And this is the number of binary representation 1100. And second is we input 255. And this is a number of binary representation 111111. In third we input 10. And this is the number of binary representation 1010. That's all for my simple Java programming.